Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a character in Maplestory. To begin your epic journey, you first need to launch the game and navigate to the character selection screen. This is where all your existing characters are displayed, and it's also the gateway to bringing a new hero into the Maple world. Look for the Create Character button, which is typically prominently displayed. Clicking this will take you to the initial setup for your brand new adventurer. Next, you will choose your game world and character class. Maplestory offers several distinct worlds, each with its own community. After selecting a world, you'll face the exciting decision of picking a class. There are many classes available, such as warriors, mages, bowmen, and thieves, each with unique abilities and combat styles. Consider what kind of adventure you want to have. Do you prefer close-quarters combat or ranged attacks? Your choice will significantly impact your gameplay experience. Now comes the fun part, personalizing your hero. You can customize many aspects of your character's appearance. This includes selecting from a wide array of hairstyles, eye colors, and facial expressions to make your character truly unique. Experiment with different combinations until you find a look you love. Finally, you will need to enter a name for your character. Make sure it is something you like, as this will be your identity in the Maple world. Once you are satisfied with your character's appearance and name, it is time to finalize your creation. Take a moment to review all your selections to ensure everything is just right. After confirming, your new character will be added to your roster. You can then select them from the character selection screen and dive straight into the vibrant world of Maplestory. Get ready to explore, complete quests, and meet other players in your exciting new adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.